Video 8. Properties palette. In Allplan, Management Palettes is placed on the left. Today we'll practice with this palette. The palette displays and manages the most important properties of objects or components selected. There are two states of Properties palette: when no element is selected. We have Format, Element, Document and Project. In Format, we have pen thickness, line type, color or sequence. For the other parts, we can ignore. The second state, elements, are selected. Here you can modify the properties in the list box. You can select name of elements that you want to change their properties. For this case, let's click on Text. We have Geometry and Element. If you need to change the text height only, just click on the list box for height, then enter the height of 60 mm for example. This time, the text height has been changed only, while other elements is kept unchanged. I continue to modify the text with underline. Click on the space area to escape the function. Now we can apply Move tool to some text you want. Similar to other objects. Select them and use Properties palette to modify. We have just practiced with Properties palette.